Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and it has been a minute since I dropped a video. I've been super busy, a lot going on with work. I'm just sitting outside enjoying this nice day, this nice weather, really trying to take my time every single day to breathe, enjoy life before I hop out here into this crazy world and get things going, man. So I do apologize for not dropping any videos. Actually was thinking about taking a hiatus, but a couple of my friends and close family members were like, you know what, keep the content coming. So I'm gonna keep the content coming. So today I'm gonna be doing a pickup vlog for you guys of the Flint 7s. A lot of people were hit or miss about these. I do have a buttload of shoes that I need to review since I haven't dropped a video in a minute that I haven't reviewed, so I will be doing that for you guys as well. But of course, let's take care of this. If this is your first time tapping into my channel, welcome. I am Truth. This is KICKnology. We do sneaker reviews. We talk about the Lord. We do so many things to bring positive vibes for you guys. So if you enjoy what you see, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Do that for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it, man. I hope to see you on this next video, and I hope you guys comment below. With all that being said, I'm sitting here waiting for this results, man, for these 500 in flames. So, you know what I'm saying, we're going to see what happens with these. A lot of people don't like this sneaker. Well, they said they didn't like this sneaker, but I actually messed with it super heavy. It's got that orange on it, you know what I'm saying, that orange color on it, so you know I gotta get it. I gotta mess with it. If I can add it to the collection, I will. This would be my first 500 adding to the collection, so I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how I feel about it, man. My garage is dirty, y'all see that back there, but hey, I appreciate you guys. Let's hop right off into this video. Let's go.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the fruit. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology, technology. This is not astrology. This is said crafted by the Father through camaraderie. Scotty Pippenology.
All right, so we made it to the location. Let me show you guys real quick before I go and pick up these shoes. If you guys can see right here, it does say sold out on the 500, the In Flames. A lot of people didn't mess with these sneakers. Actually, a sneaker that I like because of that orange on it. Y'all know how I am. But same thing with these Flint 7s. A lot of people didn't mess with them. But you know, we're going to go here. We're going to grab them. I'm going to bring them back and review them real quick for you guys. This is not my personal pair. This is a Cuzzo's pair. So I'm going to be shipping them out ASAP as soon as I get this review out. But of course, let's do this. All right, that's better, man. Y'all wear y'all mask out there, man. If it ain't for you, make sure you're doing it for other people, man. Let's be courteous to those around us, man. Let's get these shoes.
Father through camaraderie, Scotty Pippenology. Put the arrow side of me, he put the arrow side of me. The message that's in Dennis Robin head said he died for me, walk for me.
All right, y'all, so we got the bag. Real quick, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. As you guys can see right there. There you go right there. Let's go ahead and open these shoes up and get your... And I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on them. Let's do it. All right, so of course we're gonna start with this box. We got the black Jordan box with the gray. And then the size on this one is a 10.5. This is not my personal size. This is my cousin's. Retail is $190. Air Jordan 7 retro, white, varsity, and purple. Purple on them things, man. We're gonna go ahead and open this box up. So we do have that black paper. So we're gonna pull that paper back, and we have the Air Jordan 7 retro Flint, man. Let me go ahead and pull this thing out. So as you guys can see right here, a lot of people don't mess with 7s. They don't mess with 7s for, you know what, I don't know why they don't mess with them. The design is a little bit different, but every Jordan, when you go for the Jordan 6 to Jordan 7, they kind of piggyback off of each other. So you do get some Jordan 6 vibes with these things. But the leather on them, you know, everybody like tumble. Look at that, man. The leather is tumbled. Real nice leather. We got the 2-3 on the back. We got that Concord purple right there on there, and that smoke gray. Look like some good little suede material back there, as you guys can see. But I mean, a lot of people don't like the upper on the 7s. I definitely mess with the tongues on these shoes when it comes to the Jordan 7s. It just gives a different vibe to it. You know, you got the white laces in here, no other laces. Look at the toe box. Toe box look pretty good on these things. And then, as always, the bottoms are always freaky. You feel me? They are always dope with the bottoms. So yeah, man, you guys let me know. Hold on, let me get out this car. Let me get into some sunlight. All right, so as we get out here in the sunlight, you guys can see very good details on this shoe. Not a bad shoe at all, but it's just a silhouette for a lot of people. They don't mess with it. I do wish this pull tab would have been like a black or a purple color. I feel like that would have been real dope. On the inside of the sneaker, we do have that white Jumpman. But yeah, man, you guys let me know. Is this a shoe that you guys had to have? You can miss on it. You needed it, whatever, whatnot. The Air Jordan 7 Flints, man, very, very clean in my opinion, but they are a pass for me just because when it comes to the 7s, I do mess with just the OG colorways in my opinion. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. Alright y'all, that's a wrap for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button. That helps the channel grow, gets my video out there to way more people, man. And you guys let me know down below, what do you guys feel about these things right here? Cop, drop, you know what I'm saying? Could they execute it better or differently? Let me know below what you think, man. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes we talk about, this shoe right here, they're just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke.